Hi, this is part two. I'm the second video to demonstrate the Encyclome EMe application use of client ID and the authorization scopes that are being used or that have been requested. The initial phase of login, you can see the client ID being used up at the top there. I'm going to authorize right now as myself. When I go into my application, the Find My Stuff application, I have a process by which I authorize different sources. Each one of these, I'll walk through the authorization. So for example, in the case of calendar events, if I want to set up a new source in here, I will add it here, or I'll just reauthorize an existing source. In either case, it runs through the same process. The authorization process, as you can see, uses the client ID that I've requested under. I'm going to go ahead and request access to my test account in this case. It'll walk through the Google verification process. So in this case, I'm going to go to the advanced, go the unsafe route at this point. Sign into Encyclome EMe. And then it will bring up the scope screen. So in this case of the calendar, personal info, it gets obviously that you can see all of the scopes here. We'll go ahead and continue. That authorized me to the calendar source. I'm now going to look at the Google Drive authorization. I'm going to reauthorize my access to the same test account. And there are the Google Drive authorizations, or Google Drive scopes, I guess is the right word. Now let's go ahead and look at Gmail. We'll do the same thing. I'll reauthorize. It looks like those were already granted. Okay. So view, search, view settings. One last one is the contacts. I haven't added contacts in this one. I'm going to add a contact source. Automatically saved contacts, and download your contacts. And I don't know if you're interested in it, but I'm going to go also reauthorize access to my Dropbox account for this test account. It doesn't go through the Google screen, so you probably don't care. But you can see the scopes there. Sorry, I went through that kind of fast. And that's it. Drive, email, contacts, and calendar. So that's what we got for now. There may be other services in the future that we end up doing, but that's where we are right now. Hopefully that gives you a good sense of the scopes that are being used. Please let me know otherwise.